So this training course is all about building cloud-native applications. We cover microservices, containers, and orchestration. In this guided workshop, participants will learn about industry-leading tools such as Docker, Kubernetes, and WeaveScope. Participants will have the opportunity to learn hands-on while building an actual e-commerce site, the now famous Sock Shop reference application. As we all know, the technology landscape moves very quickly, and it can be difficult to keep up. There's a dizzying array of new terms and new technologies, especially around cloud native. So this course really focuses on hands-on learning. We'll cover the theory of each of the topics and then jump into hands-on exercises where the participants can really dive in and learn each of these pieces. We'll cover each of the three main pillars of cloud native applications: containers, microservices, and orchestration. And we'll really focus on how these pieces all fit together. Having completed this course, participants will have a broad view of the whole cloud native landscape, the different technologies that are available to them, and how they can use them. So if you're interested in cloud native technologies and are ready to adopt this in your organization, then book onto this course today.